Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing just a Roblox video on this game called Broken Bones. I really like it. Jesus Christ, I'm lagging. Oh, wrong one. So yeah, all you've got to do, I don't like going down there because it's really bad and you always land on the grass. What you want to do is always land on these rocks. So like, not the greatest idea jumping onto them like that, but look, when I fall down you'll see why I wanted to go this way. Not yet, wait, this is going to do a lot. Wait, keep going, bro. I think this is the part. Now we go. Whee. Look at bro.
Detected at the front
Poor
door.
Mbappe. Look at bro. Look at bro's X-ray. I broke 110. By the way, guys, there is a new version of this game. It's called Broken Bones 5. You should go check that one out. But I'm playing Broken Bones 4 because I tried out 5 and I prefer this version. Oh god. Oh. Oh. I think he also broke the bone that doesn't show. Yeah, I thought so. He also dislocated these two. I need 850k to unlock the next. You know what? You're getting slam dunked on. Oh! Oh no. He's already broken 28 bones and we're barely got anywhere. Oh! Relax, bro. Ow. You gotta feel bad for Mbappe, man. Bro still wears the number 7. Why did you say Bro, 110 miles an hour, that's nothing. Ready? Look at my miles per hour. Gas, gas, gas. Gonna step on the gas tonight. Oh no. Nah, please. Tree, stop me. Or Mbappe just has a... Yeah, ignore the broken bones on that. Whoa! Ah! Oh! 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 I broke the same amount of bones. Ow. Bro, look at my ligaments! Ligaments is the yellow one, by the way. And then, well, I think that's dislocations. Bro! This game is so unholy towards my skull. Sing with me, game. This is an Ohio game, bro. You serious right now? This game be Ohio right now. What's that do? Oh! Go back. Oh! Mbappe's dead. You just gonna stop there, mate? What, how was his leg barely damaged? His leg's like detached. Ah! Sing with me. Ow! You hit me in the air, mate. Ow! You just kicked. Nah! He kicked me and now I'm. Nah. Bro, he kicked me. What bone did I dislocate? My ankle! We're barely high in there. Oh my god, the meters are going down. Oh. I broke like no bones from that. I just did like a cartwheel on it. Now this is how you die. So we go up here, and we crash off the side. See, that's 9. No, we're supposed to keep rolling, Mbappe. Hang on. So this is how you get a lot of score. So you go up here, you go on the railings, and you go on the icy bit, and you jump off, land on, like, fall in there. You get 2. Wait till you get 9, and then you get loads from that. Loads from that, and then you make your way down. That was literal nothing. And then Mbappe will just flip. Harry Kane diving in the box be like. Well, he didn't dive, but that's Harry Kane in the box. Oh, 61. I'm not even going to question it, you know. No, my record, I thought I was going to beat it. Right. Oh, you guys are going to love what's happened there. Hammerhead. What's that? I haven't actually witnessed that yet. Hopefully, I've seen the firework one time. Okay, we're going down. We're going to do the firework. We've been concussed. Oh god. We didn't get hammer-haged. No. Oh yes. Yeah, so my wrist is perfectly fine. I seriously wanted to get hammer-haged though. No, I want to jump off the side. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laughter. Ow. Sing with me just for today. Look at tomorrow. I think Mbappe's just given up, man. What happens if I climb the tree? So my skull's heavily damaged. I'm not concussed. Nah. So it's the thing, my wrists, both my wrists and my. Okay. The almighty pussy. I got the blast in. Ow. And then he does the backflip. Oh. Oh. In the next one, guys, I will showcase the other game for you. So, like, the other... I've not actually played that one that much. But I've seen it, like, there's like a balloon-looking thing. You press shift to go up. Right, my legs are dislocated, I think. Okay. Yeah, we've got my left ankle dislocated. Well, it should be my right ankle. It literally said left ankle. Game. I don't understand why the game's done that. Let's try and dislocate another bone and see what it was. So guys, just keep looking in the bottom right and we'll see. Okay. We're going real fast down here. We concussed ourselves. No. No, that was trash. And we just... sing with me. Oh my god, stop concussing me, bro. Dislocate something. I'm trying to dislocate something for you guys to see. Like, I want to show you this. The glitch is you run down here and you slip. And then you end up under the earth. And then it breaks. Untouched. Untouchable, untouchable. I can't wait. Look, look, left ankle, okay? Left ankle. Look. Why are this on my right ankle? Why? Ready? Ow. Wait, I've got 2 bones dislocated. Ooh! Bro's gonna get core blocks if he does it again. I know, what does that do? I'm not used to this recorder that much. Oh, okay. Oh! Why are you going so fast down, Mbappe? That's 2 joints broken. Both my feet, also. Ready? I'm just gonna go down and slam my head back into it. Go down, slam my head back. Oh! This is looking good, guys. Oh! Oh! I thought we were looking good, but Mbappe's held himself back. Mbappe's not dead, everybody. Wait. If Mbappe was dead, we would have won. Ooh! Mbappe, that was a big hit. Mbappe, you can relax. Buddy! He's gone for the bicycle kick, mate. Yeah, bleh. These NPCs, bro. Ah!